Okay, you've got simple harmonic motion. Period is 6.1, so I'll write that down. Period, I'll always write down period. 2 pi over n equals 6.1. Amplitude is 3. Calculate either one maximum speed. I think I'll work out that one first. Well, first before I do anything, I'm going to work out what n is. So times both sides by n and divide by 6.1. So n would be 2 pi over 6.1, and that equals 1.03003. Carry on. So I want the maximum speed, so I'm going to use the NAX formula, and that is v squared equals n squared a squared minus x squared. And so the maximum speed will occur when x is 0. So putting that in 0, I get v squared equals n squared, which is 1.03003 squared, times by 3 squared minus 0 squared, which equals 9.54866. And so v equals the square root of that, which is 3.09009. Obviously give it to 3.09. And then for part 2, we have to work out the distance. So work out the distance. So we've got to work out an x when p has speed or velocity equals 2.5. Well, so v equals 2.5. And there's two ways of doing this. I would definitely personally use the NAX formula for v squared equals n squared a squared minus x squared. So 2.5 squared equals the 1.03003 squared times by 3 squared minus x squared. Solve that and we get x squared equals 3.109123, and so x equals 1.76327. Right, so another way you could do, of course, is say work out what x is. Well, we know that x is going to be a. So that's a is 3 in this case, and it's assume it's being released from the middle, so we'll have sine 1.03003 t. We could differentiate that to get v, which equals x dot, which equals 3 times by 1.03003 cos 1.03003 t, and then you could put in v as 2.5, and that means we could find t, and then you could put t into there, and then you'll work out what x is. But I tell you what, the NAX formula way quicker, and that's one done.